Dear all, welcome to our channel called Tech Madness. Today we will going to see how to set minimum height to widget. This is very common thing that comes in day-to-day life of our development. But I found in Flutter there is no such documentation available which explains the concept in short. So now I will try to explain as short as possible. So this is the one of the interview question where people ask that how to set minimum height to your widget. So first of all, you should be aware about the box constraint. The box constraint have the mean height, mean width, or max height. So we will see that how it works. So first of all, we will create one stateless widget. Give name like home page and give this home page here and convert it to the scaffold. Give it is the app bar with title, and title may have like example, you can say that the name, you can give it name like mean height example, and here we can have body, and the body for now I am just giving the container. Okay, so just reload it and we will see the output like this. So now here we will use the list view which we want to render at the minimum height, and we will give it the you can say that the list which will render in the minimum height. So first of all, we will give it the constraint which I already described. Constraint box constraint, and the mean height will be, let's suppose 100. Mean width will be double infinity, so here we are not taking care of the width, and the max height will be 400. So list view will render the container will take only 100 as the mean height, and the max height will be the 400. So here we will create the child of the container like list view. List view will have the children's, you know that, and here I will generate the list generate. Here I have to pass the count of the list which I want to generate, and here I will put the simple text like okay, I will give the text name, it's like sample curly braces, and I will give the index. Let's give some style to it, text style, and the font size is around 40, and this is giving error just because we are not adding these three operators. Okay, so this operator is basically used for, okay, there might be some, okay, so this operator is used for converting the normal list into the list view. This provides this. Okay, we will see in the next tutorial that what this operator do, but for now let's assume that it will return the list to your list view. So just reload it. So you can see that it is not printing all the 10 samples, it is just printing the 8, because here we are giving the max height. So the list view only render about the 400 max height. If I remove it to just 1, it will take the minimum height. So you can see that it takes only the minimum height because it will not render to your max height. So this is the property of your list view, or you can say the boss constraint more properly. That boss constraint is having the property like mean height and the max height. So hope you got this tutorial really well. Have a good day.